Welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Performing and Visual Arts, SOPVA. Diploma in Theatre Arts, DTH. T005 Manual of Classroom Play Production. Unit 2 Production Process, Text to Performance. 2.1 Production Process. This section explains the production process from text to performance. DRAM. Performance will happen according to a procedure. The process starts with the selection of a play or text for performance. Then the selection of actors, organizing rehearsals, and finally the performance. In this process the director will play an important role. Even though the actors finally appear on the stage in a performance, all the other aspects of play production will be done by the director. He will take the technical support from makeup artist, set designer, lighting designer and musicians. He is the coordinator of the total process of play production. 2.2 Introduction and Objectives. This unit explains the total process of play production. The major part of this unit deals with the director's work, because she is the coordinator, creator and amalgamates many elements into a play presentation. 2.3 Selection of text, play, and selection of actors for different characters. For presenting a drama performance, a dramatic text or play is required. It is the basic requirement for a performance. Usually the actors who want to give a performance of a drama will first select a director. The director in turn will select the text and actors for different characters. While selecting a text, the director should keep the following points in mind: talent of the actors of the particular performing group, financial capacity of the group, previous plays produced by the group, the occasion of the performance, the nature of performance, i.e. professional activity, where the performance is shown by selling tickets, or amateur activity, where it is a free performance, the place of performance including the measurements of the stage, available technical facilities etc. Keeping all these points in mind, the director will select a play, and once it is approved, she will select actors to various characters. Here also she has to keep the following points in mind: physical fitness of an actor for a particular character, her voice and speech, her acting ability, her discipline and attitude towards others. But in amateur theatre, where the activity is a hobby, the director has to compromise on many aspects. In the selection process, the director first asks the actors to read dialogues with proper modulation and expression. She will ask them to move in act. He may try different actors for a single character and finally select one actor to each character. 2.4 Rehearsal Schedule. 2.4.1 Reading Sessions. After selecting the text and actors for different characters, the director will start the rehearsals of the play. The first session is the reading session. During this period, first, the director will ask the actor to read the play. Each actor will read her character. The director will correct the modulation of the actor. She will suggest where to give pauses and stresses while reading the dialogue. She will also explain each character's nature, mentally and attitude. She will ask the actors to feel the play and express the required emotions. 2.4.2 Coordination with technical team and finalization of design. While the reading session goes on, the director will also discuss with the technical team. First she will discuss with set designer and ask her to prepare the design for the play. The set designer makes drawings of the set for the play. She will show in his design the entry and exit doors, arrangement of furniture, steps, levels, wall decorations, and other stage properties, according to the requirement and type of the play. The director and set designer will finalize the design after through discussion. At the same time, the director will also discuss with the lighting designer about the arrangement of lights in relation with the set design. The lighting designer will finalize the design, the color of the lights and also special effects in consultation with the director. The director will also finalize the designs with makeup artist, costume designer and music composer. 2.4.3 Blocking. After conducting the reading sessions with the actors, and after satisfying herself that the actors are thorough with their lines, she will start the blocking of the play. During this period, she will explain the set design to the actors and arrange them in groups on the stage. Usually the director conducts the blocking rehearsals after marking the actual stage measurements in their rehearsal room. This will help her to maintain the required pace in the performance. She will arrange the stage groups and create movements to the actors. The movements include entrances and exits, stage falls, fights, movements for a particular business like bringing water from the kitchen, moving to a shelf to get a book, moving towards window to throw out certain things etc. She will also arrange movements to bring tempo in the play. She will complete the blocking in a phased manner. 2.5 Run-throughs and technical rehearsals. After completing the blocking of the whole play, the next step is conducting run-throughs, which means non-stop rehearsals from a beginning to end. The director will not stop play during the run-through even if some mistakes happen. She will note down the mistakes and bring them to the notice of the actors after the completion of the run-through. She will ask actors to improve further. After achieving perfection in run-throughs, the director will plan for technical rehearsals. Makeup and costume, lighting, and music rehearsals are done on different days. Makeup and costumes rehearsals are usually done in the rehearsals room. With these rehearsals, the actor will feel the characters. Any correction are to be attended, they will be taken care by the concerned people. The lighting and music rehearsals should be conducted on the stage where the actual performance of the play takes place. The actor will be using the set properties, which will be placed in the actual performance. They get accustomed to the furniture, steps, door curtains etc. The lighting and music rehearsals are done with proper cues. Usually important scenes where lighting changes, special effects and music needs are done on the stage. The adjustments if any will be done by the technicians. 2.6 Grand rehearsals and performance. The grand rehearsals are also called dress rehearsals. Usually there will be 2 grand rehearsals in professional theatres. The first dress rehearsals is a complete run-through. In this all sound cues, light cues, costume changes and set changes will be coordinated. The makeup and costumes will be adjusted according to the lighting arrangements. The actors' dialogues will be checked from the auditorium. Corrections if any will be done at the end of the rehearsals. The second grand rehearsals should be a tryout performance. Some selected audience will be invited for this rehearsals. It is a complete performance with all the technical effects. The director may take note of the suggestions given by the invited auditions. 2.6.1 Performance. On the day of the performance, the actors and technicians should reach the auditorium on time announced by the director. The technicians should check the set materials, lights, sound systems and other effects and keep them in proper condition. The actors must attend the makeup well in advance as planned by the makeup artist. All the actors and technicians shall maintain proper discipline and silence on and off the stage. The actors must think about the play, character and dialogues. The director will check whether everybody is in her position or not before the start of the performance. Finally, the performance starts at the announced time. On the stage, the actors should cooperate and coordinate with each other. The technicians should be on their feet to discharge their duties. The actors and technicians are introduced to audience after the performance. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.